Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. I want to thank the people who sent me this pan. It's called Cooker King, and they sent me this pan for my honest opinion and for me to use as a sample, and that's what I'm about to do. It came very well packed, and it's really heavy. It's not a light pan, so it does have some weight to it. I got to say that. So as you can see, I almost really have to hold it with both of my hands, which it's got some weight to it. As you can see, the handle is long, pretty long, and I really want to try this out. I have it on my stove right now. This is a gas stove, and I have it on here because I'm getting ready to make some bacon and eggs for myself for breakfast. This is like a 10-inch pan, I believe, and it's deep. So you see it has the deep sides, which is great. So if you're going to make something that, is a little, just need some sauce or something that, you need some height on your pan, this is a great pan to use. I'm just right thinking about, I could use this when I make my stuffing this week because it's getting close to Thanksgiving, and you want to have a nice pan. It's nonstick, and it's healthy because it's nonstick, and but I love it. I love the design inside. Look at that. It's just beautiful. It's also dishwasher safe. You can put it in the oven up to 500 degrees if you want. So it's pretty durable, and it's stainless steel. And I actually like stainless steel because it really cleans up better, really holds the heat well. So I really do like stainless steel, and it is stainless steel. So I'll be back in a minute and get started cooking. All right, I'm turning my stove on to get going here. Stove is on. I already washed this out. That's on about, it's on an 8. Let's turn it to about a 6. There we go. I'm going to put some bacon in here. That'll make me some bacon, scrambled eggs, and cheese. So we're going to put the... All right, I'm turning my bacon over. I'm using my tongs. These are stainless steel tongs. Okay, so they're ready. Let me take them out of the pan. As you can see, they are brown, nice and brown. I'm going to turn the heat off right now for a minute. So I'm getting ready to make my scrambled eggs. And as you see, there's a lot of bacon grease in here, which is the way it goes when you fry bacon. So, since the pan is still hot, turn the heat off. The pan is still hot. So I just want to put butter in it so I can have my butter flavor that I like. Got my eggs right here. There's 2 eggs right here, scrambled, a little bit of milk in it. Hey, look at that. And I got 1 piece of cheese. It's American cheese, yellow American cheese. I don't know, I'm definitely not eating all of this. But I'm gonna put it on a Kaiser roll and me and Perry will eat it. So, just moving it around. There we go, look at that. Moving it around nicely. There we go. Not sticking in nothing. It's doing good. I'm turning it off because that's all I need. Turning it off. We putting the top on, letting it get done, and there we go. That's my bacon and eggs for breakfast. Okay, guys, I'm back. It's been sitting. Now, I'm touching the handle. The handle is not hot at all. The top is a little warm up here, but the handle is not. It's not hot. So that's really good. So you can actually touch the handle without having any issue, which is great. Great, great, great. Now, I just want to show you my bacon right here. I just want to put it all on top, just so everybody can see when I take a picture what it looks like. It's gonna look like that. Okay, but I'm gonna eat half of that. And I just want to show you the pan after I took everything out. Okay, nothing is sticking. Nothing. Nothing sticking. There you go. So again, I want to thank the people who sent this to me for a sample, and so that I can use it. I definitely like the high size. I love that. Okay, this is a great pan. So far, so good. I'll keep using it, and I'll let you all know. Have a good day. It's Stephanie. I'm out.